Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here is, after a long time, something related to cardboard furniture, and this is very sturdy, very strong, and yet very useful for the house to store your books or for your stuff, any kind of stuff you can store, makeup or anything in it. But for me, I'm just for the time being using these books, and later on I will be putting the books down or my perfumes and those things, and on top I will be storing some small kind of jewelry. So here is this cardboard box which I'm using. I didn't measure anything. This cardboard, I took it from the market. It was available just in the same size. So this is another piece which I am going to cut it and to stick it around the first one to make it more strong and thick enough. Remember that in this project I am using so many cardboard pieces which I am actually not gonna show each and every step because the video will be very long. So it took me almost 1 week to complete, just to leave every step or everything to dry completely. So here you can see I have applied the white glue on it, on all the sides of the cardboard, and then another piece of cardboard I am sticking here, and I will be cutting the rough edges from the sides, I mean the extra edges. Here from this I will be cutting it off, and then I will be keep applying so many layers on it. I mean to say that you have to use so many pieces of cardboard to make it thick enough, just like the wood piece, so you can use it for your many heavy stuff. And remember that you are using the cardboard pieces in different shapes, I mean in different sides. One side which is bending of the cardboard, which everybody notice, it start when we fold the cardboard, start to fold. So if you are using cardboard in this way, then use the opposite side, so it will be resistance for each other, and the cardboard furniture will be very strong. Here you can see inside part as well, I am sticking many pieces of cardboard to make it strong and to give the grip to each part to hold it properly. And yeah, here you can see as well. And now I will show you the close-up, that how many thick pieces I have stick. Here you can see it was a single piece and how much I have made it thick. And after applying glue between each part of the cardboard, I have stick it with the paper tape, so it will stay on the same place. So on the sides as well, I'll be doing the same thing I did for this side. And then here I am going to apply more cardboard to make it the upper shelf. So I am just sticking it without any measurement. Keep this thing in mind, I do not measure anything related to my cardboard furniture or any other stuff. So this is my style. I don't like to measure. I just grab the piece of cardboard, whatever size is available, and I start to make the things according to the size I have. And yeah, that's it. I just work like this. So here I have applied again the same white glue, and then I will be checking from the all sides. And this is just a single layer of cardboard I'm applying to make the shelf, but later on I will be using more cardboard pieces to make this part of the shelf as well thick and strong enough. This is how it looks like, and I will be covering here on this side as well. This is how I have covered it, and again another piece of cardboard which I am going to stick again to make this shelf strong, as I said before. And then again on the sides, which side I'm using, I will be making more cardboard to stick on this side to make it equal part of the upper shelf. And here on this part as well, I will be using more piece of cardboard. And then for the front part, I will be using it here, and from the sides I will be sticking it with the first part of the cardboard. Yeah, kids are playing on the background, so you can hear the sounds very clear. Wherever I go, you can hear the sounds of them. Thank God for that. Anyway, I have stick this piece as well, and then as you can see, it's bending and it's very soft, so I will be using again more cardboard. It's totally up to you how much cardboard pieces you are using to make your furniture thick, sturdy and strong. So later on, do not blame me please that this cardboard furniture bended or damaged like this. I don't show each and every step while making the furniture, but make sure that you are using very thick and many pieces of cardboard to make your furniture. So here you can see these are my all previous rolled cardboard pieces. I have cut it in the same size, and again I didn't measure. I got this roll white one, it was for the nylon wrap, so it was the same size, so I cut it the black cardboard pieces roll pipes as well according to the size of the white one, so they are equal size now. And here on the bottom of the cardboard I have drawn the circles according to the size of the pipes, the rolls I have, and then here I am sitting relaxed just cutting the pieces because it's very deep and thick piece of cardboard which needs time to remove each part a little bit. I will not be making complete hole through inside, but I will be removing proper so they can hold the pipes properly. Here you can see it's stick now. I mean it's I have removed all the cardboard from the sides, but I left the inner part as it is with the cardboard. Then I applied the hot glue and I will be sticking these pieces, the roll pipes here, and after finishing all of this I apply again hot glue on the sides to make it grip and to hold it properly. So this is how it looks like. I have applied 4 legs, 4 rods or 4 pipes, whatever you call it, and this is how it looks like now. Top part as well is done. Basically all the main part of the shelf is done now, and next part is going to be cover all the furniture with white glue and the craft paper or newspaper. So here it's standing position, you can see how it looks like now. So for the next part I have took again the lid for the upper storage part. I have made this also very thick piece by sticking many pieces of cardboard, and here this one is you can see how it's folding, which I will be sticking here on the back side of the shelf in this position, that when I close it, it will be closing properly and it will be holding from the back side of the cardboard. Here I have this craft paper. You can use newspaper even if you do not have craft paper, it doesn't matter. And this is a school glue I'm using. Remember that I didn't add any water in it, because if you add too much water or even less water, you will be damaging your cardboard furniture, because it's after all paper and it will change the shape or anything of the cardboard, which will not be looking good after. So I will be covering all the rough edges, and from this side everything, from inside even, with this craft paper and the glue mixture. If you want, you can cover each and every part of the cardboard furniture, but for me I will try to use on the basic things only. And yeah, I will show you next what I will be doing. This is how I will be applying the glue. Again, do not add much water or even less water in making this part. This is how it looks like now. You can see I have covered all the rough edges and I have stick the cardboard pieces with each other, and here you can see on the legs as well, I stick the legs with the bottom of the shelf to keep them on the place instead of just hot glue. Try to stick legs as well with the craft paper to stick it on the bottom of the furniture so it stays on the same place and it will be giving the grip to each other. And this is how it looks like now. And after getting dry completely, I will be using the sandpaper to remove the rough edges, to remove the rough texture from the cardboard. So this is the acrylic paint I'm using without any water in it, pink color, shocking pink color, and I will be covering all the inner part of the shelf with this acrylic paint, and I will be leaving it to dry completely. Then for the next part, here the door part as well, inner side, and the top part of the shelf and the inner part of the lid as well, I'll be covering with the same color. Here you can see how it looks beautiful now. I have covered all the inner parts of the shelf with this paint, and yeah, the rest of the all shelf I will be covering it with the dark brown acrylic paint. Here is this, and I will cover all the rest of the parts of the shelf with this color. After using many layers of the colors just to cover the cardboard, I'm using some more different shades of the brown just to create the rustic look of the furniture, of the wood. It's up to you whatever you want to use the color, but I love to create the rustic look like this on my cardboard furniture. So, and I will leave it to dry after that. Then I have this white color string, ribbon type something, which I will be sticking here to hold the lid of the upper shelf. Then here on the doors I will be making the holes to insert these cork. I took it from the olive oil bottles, so I have colored them as well with the same color I used for the furniture. In these holes I will be inserting these pieces, and I will be sticking it from the inside with the hot glue. Actually, I was having out of stuff things in these days, so if you want to use proper stuff for handles and those things, you can go for that, but I love this one as well. Even if it's inside a little bit prominent, that's just fine for me. And these are the magnets which I'm going to stick it on the doors, both doors, from the up and down as well, to close them properly, here and on top. And this is how it looks like now. You can use it for storing your books, or your down bottom you can store the books. On upper part you can use it for the pencils and colors and those things for your kids, or you can use anything inside like jewelry or boxes and anything. So this is how it looks like now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be making some more cardboard furniture and some sculptures in my upcoming videos, so please stay tuned. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and click on bell notifications so you do not miss any of my upcoming projects. I will be staying on my channel from now on, so please do not miss my any video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for